do you think? Do you like it? It's how is it? I'm filming you. So I put on YouTube that your parent can see, your friend can see. So now you are at the Samyak market in Chiang Mai, and we're heading northeast of Chiang Mai. Yeah. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Thai Secret Cooking School. Today we're making two different types of spring roll. So we got friends from Ireland. So what are we making?
Oh, I'm making fresh spring rolls. And I'm making deep fried fresh spring rolls.
Can you please talk in Irish? I hear that. I think it's lovely. So you can see how.
Díag go sem máthar agus a nahar. Díag go mámi agus Eddie.
That's it?
Sláinte.
Okay. Do you have anything like in Irish, like fresh spring roll or deep fried spring roll?
No.
Okay. So here the rice wrapper, a rice paper that we use to wrap the fresh spring roll, right? You finished making the sauce.
Yeah.
What's inside, please? Can you repeat?
So peanuts, salt, chili, and sugar, and
Water. And this one, vinegar.
Vinegar. Oh, it's best.
Forget 1 tablespoon. Just this one. Yeah. And then after that, we're gonna put the filling in here. That is the dipping sauce to eat with the fresh spring roll. So we start with the salad leaf. Alright. They put here. Not really in the middle. Here. And because you don't like the chicken, so we don't need to add. Normally we add the Vietnamese sausage, right? But here because you don't eat meat, we just omelette, sweet omelette, which is 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of sugar, cucumber. Chili, no seed, no spicy.
No spicy.
This one you will be fine, won't be spicy. So you can use also bay chili, spring onions, a little bit here and there, and mint leaf. We just leave it out for just a little bit. Dry it still. I love mint leaf, like the mint flavor and smell. Just only the leaf and the Thai basil. In. Only the leaf, no big stem. And then you everything in here, so you start to wrap them. Like that. And you put this one in, tight and firm. You can add tofu in if you like. Right, cut it like bite size. And we serve them with, let it sit like that, pretty.
Wow.
See, it's very cute. Look like sushi.
Sushi, yeah.
It's about your idea about presentation, right? Ready?
Yeah.
How are you doing? Deep fried spring roll. Okay, here. This is gonna open up.
Yeah.
See, very important when you wrap it. You make sure that this is tight and firm and tucks part in.
Okay.
Roll up. Right. You have eggs here.
Yeah.
A little bit more eggs. See, this part's very important. 1, 2. See. Close this up. Close this up. And roll. See, make sure that seal completely. If you deep fry, it can open up.